Breaking news. The Regal Eagles are... Breaking news. The Regal Eagles are going on tour.
Welcome back to the First News Network. Last night, the sounds of steam filled Bethpage during the Regal Eagles opening show. Inside sources say Team 2869 spends hours combining ideas from each section of the band to create unique songs.
Regal Eagles opened their show with their hit single, Women in STEAM. This band normalizes women in STEAM and ethnic minorities as leaders.
New song, Engineers Helping Engineers by the Regal Eagles reaches top charts. They educated elementary school students about the STEAM opportunities in their near future and demonstrated snap circuits.
Local elementary schools vocalized their appreciation of the Regal Eagles for their creation and continued mentorship of the 4 FLL Challenge teams in the district.
Success on the 7th annual Regal Eagle Roundtables, a conference that gives Team 2869 exposure to other team initiatives and refocuses upperclassmen on ways to harmonize and write a lasting melody.
A handmade field and season-altering troubleshooting, Team 2869's perfect gig, Regal Eagle Rampage, makes history as the largest ever. 25 teams in attendance and now a week long, the Regal Eagles take go big or go home to the next level.
Media goes wild over Regal Eagles' new robotics class in the Bethpage Extended School Year Camp, a program dedicated to teaching students with learning disabilities. One student even wrote a grateful letter to the team.
Spreading charity through clothing drives, beach cleanups, and more, the Regal Eagles break records after the 3rd year of First Together. Now joined with 36 teams all over Long Island, Team 2869 becomes the picture of altruism.
FRC's biggest stars branch out to other communities within First, earning over 1,000 volunteer hours from the FLL and FTC events hosted around Long Island.
Team 2869 strikes again. With their new 50-state series on their podcast, The Regal Eagle Report, Team 2869 gives a range of celebrity teams around the nation the opportunity to soar to greater heights.
1-year anniversary since the collaboration between the Regal Eagles and the Steampunks, Team 2869 invited the Dominican Republic team onto their podcast, housed and transported their robot to the First Long Island Regional.
The Regal Eagles make superstar status, showing their generosity in the form of mini grants. They donated funds made from the 2024 car wash to teams in need from Hawaii, New York, New Jersey, and even across the world in Romania.
Statistics show that the Regal Eagles tour will be the most legendary of their generation. They donated STEM kits to kids lacking STEAM education in numerous countries, reaching 6 continents in the world. We're speaking to some recipients now.
Sri Lanka, Ayubon. Namaste, मैं मुंबई भारत से हूँ.
¿Cómo Mula से Filipinas.
Hola, soy de México.
Hola, soy de Colombia.
And many more.
Thank you for joining us at First News Network. Next time on FNN, we'll continue following the Regal Eagles on their journey to spread STEAM worldwide.